What I'd like to show you now is something we call what could go wrong. Let's start by inserting an object. So Alt-E to open the editor. I'm going to use the arrow keys to go to the object menu, and I'm just going to click over here, and let's drag that a little closer to the wall, and let's make this MSO033. What is that? That's a guitar. Okay, so we'll put a guitar in the orb. And that should be it. So let's save this as a new orb, ZSAMP007, load, and let's take a look at it. Here we have a guitar. Easy enough. Now let's look at what happens when I bump this. Okay, I'm bumping it. That makes sense. But now I just bumped it right outside the orb. It's gone. I've bumped it through the wall. Well, that's no good. So how do we stop this from happening? Alright, let's go back into the editor. I'm going to show you two methods. Let's make another guitar over here, and we'll make a third guitar. This guitar, the third guitar, we won't fix. We'll leave that making the problem of going through the wall. This middle guitar, I'm going to come up here and give that O thing as its effect. So it now has an effect of O thing, and this first one, we're going to give that a mass of 9,000. Alright, so we'll save this, load it, go back to the editor. Here's our three guitars. This one we just pushed through the wall. This one here that we made 9,000, we can't push it through the wall because we can't move it. And the middle one, it's still pushable, but it won't push through the wall. The effect O thing has solved our problem. I'll tell you briefly what's happening. You may or may not be able to follow it. It's a bit of programming consideration. When we gave the object the effect O tag, it was put on what we call an update list, which means that every gaming cycle the engine looks to see what's happening with that object and update its position. When the object had no name as the effect, the engine did not even look at the object. You could push it around and it could go through the wall and the engine wasn't even noticing. This one has a mass of 9,000. The engine doesn't let you bump it through the wall because of the collision. In the collision software or aspect of the engine, that's an immediate kind of interaction, and the engine notices the guitar only long enough to finish with the collision considerations. This O thing, the engine follows this completely. Every cycle it looks to see, hey, what should I be doing with this particular object? And one of the things that should be happening is the object not going through the wall.